How to use Gmail snooze feature. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Gmail snooze feature lets you remove emails from your inbox temporarily and set them to reappear at a later time when you're ready to deal with them. Now, in order to snooze an email, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to mail.google.com. Now, you want to select any email from your inbox. Here you have this snooze icon. Click on that. Now, you get to decide when you want to snooze this email. So you have later today, tomorrow, later this week, this weekend, and next week. You can also click on the pick date and time option and then manually set your date and time. So from here you can select your date and then time. Now click on the save option. Once you do that, you have successfully snoozed that email. If you want to view it, click on the snoozed option and over here you can find that email. Now you will get a notification when a snoozed email returns to your inbox at the chosen time. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.